Today we are reviewing my food.
How would your friends
So,
describe you? Sweet, popular, loyal, or fun?
when I'm doing this, I know it doesn't look like I'm looking at you, just like an eye thing. Yeah, so get used to it. So anyway, I got a roast sandwich, sponsored Arby's for giving me this. So good. And fries.
Purple, red, platinum, or dark
3,
brown?
2,
I mean,
1.
mine is already dark brown, so I can't really pick that. It'd probably be either like red or platinum. Red? Yeah. Which pet are you most likely to have in the future? A dog, a cat, or a fish, or a turtle? Where is the axolotl option? I want an axolotl as a pet so bad, which they're so cute, but my parents just don't like them, which is really unfortunate. Really, why? I mean, an axolotl is kind of close to a fish because they both live in like water. I'm just gonna say fish and pretend that it's axolotl. What would you like to scratch off your bucket list? I would like to travel around the world. I would like to swim with dolphins, graduate from
With all the
university, or go skydiving.
Everyone, look at this fry. I don't want to eat it.
2 hours.
You know, gotta do.
Yes, I hunt them.
Bye, y'all.